Here's a pair of Beats Studio Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to a Vizio smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to go to is go to the Vizio TV and go to your Bluetooth settings. Hopefully you have Bluetooth on your Vizio TV. My old one didn't have Bluetooth and I had to use a Bluetooth transmitter. Anyway, this model Vizio TV has Bluetooth. If you have this remote here, you can click on the gear icon, the settings icon right there. Then if you look on the left there, just go down one and it says Bluetooth headphones here, okay? What you want to do is just move over to the right. Just keep going until it says pair headphones, okay? Make sure it says pair headphones right there and then click on OK. And then under other devices, it's kind of grayed out. You can see that little progress circle right there because it's looking for devices that are in pairing mode. So let's grab our headphones here. They're currently off. Let's turn these on, put this into pairing mode. Okay, it's on. And now I want it to blink white, okay? It's not in pairing mode. Now let me just press and hold this button again. It's already on. I think it's connected to my iPhone. Now I'm holding, okay, now it's all blinking, so now it's in pairing mode. And now, oh, and what do you know? Beats Studio Pro just popped up on my TV right there. Let me go down. Beats Studio Pro, pair. Give it 1 second there, and you can see it's the check mark is right there. And there you go. So I'm ready to watch YouTube or Netflix using these. Questions or issues, comment below. Also, if you have issues connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset these, right? Look in the link below how to factory reset these. Good luck.